Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube shorts. Want to remove a YouTube short from your channel? Whether you made a mistake or want to clean up your content, deleting a short is simple, and here's how you can do it. Just follow my instructions. The first thing you want to do is to open YouTube Studio, which this step can only be done on your computer. And to do that, just open the YouTube Studio app or go to studio.youtube.com on a browser and tap content to view all your uploaded videos. As you can see, I didn't upload or have a channel in YouTube, but if you follow my instructions, the instructions I'm gonna tell you, you'll be able to delete a YouTube shorts. The second thing you want to do is to find the short you want to delete. And locate the video under the videos tab, and shorts are marked as vertical format icon. Third final step is to delete the short, and to do that just click on the three dots menu next to the video and select delete forever and confirm. Now if you want to archive instead of deleting, change the short's visibility to private and delete so shorts cannot be recovered, so make sure you want to delete them before removing them. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you delete YouTube shorts. It's very easy and very simple. You just have to find the YouTube shorts you uploaded and then click the three dots and then select remove. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.